Hey guys, this is Martin for Take a Look Pool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Apple Airport Extreme Base Station 6th generation. This is the latest model, although it's been on the market for a few years. It supports 2.4 and 5 GHz networks up to the Wi-Fi N standard. Okay, let's get to it. I have my handy knife. Let's open the box. I wonder if there is any notch, but I'll just get it open from here. Okay, let's take a look at the box. On one side you can see the router with its ports. It has the power plug. This is the WAN port, USB, and 3 1 Gigabit Ethernet LAN ports. The USB is actually USB 2.0, and you can use it for backing up your Mac or make a hard drive available on the network. This is the front. Another Apple logo. At the top there is nothing, and at the bottom there are just usual things like the serial number. Okay, so it just slides up like this and reveals itself beautifully with a sticker, and I think there is a folio, of course, all around it. Let's see first what we have in the box. Okay, so in the box there is a bit of cardboard and the power cable and some paperwork in many languages. Let's see if there are any stickers, but I doubt it. Oh. No Apple stickers whatsoever. Let's put this on the side, as well as the knife, and unwrap this cable. So there is a difference between the 6th and 5th model. Of course, the 5th generation was a pancake style model where it had its own power brick. Now, as you can see, this goes directly into the Airport Extreme. Let's unwrap this. So this is not a translucent one, but a white folio. Ooh, this is long. Okay, nice and shiny. And the bottom sticker. So this is not rubberized at all. There are the vents, and that is about it. Okay, let me actually try to measure the length of this cable, at least by an eye. So I think this is about 2 meters long. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the Apple Airport Extreme Base Station 6th generation.